Yeah, all over you. She's doing something to me eye before. Hey, Pumpkin. So when you're trying to rest, have a quick lay down on the couch. That's all I'm doing. She wants to attack. Well, she was sitting on my face before, and I thought, nah, no. See, she's messing with me phone, my watch phone. The washing machine's going with all the noises. Don't touch the phone. Yeah, it's totally upset. Hang on. There we go. Nice when she's like that. It's really good to have a cake when she's like that. And you know what? I reckon, believe it or not, this bird is awesome in front of the camera. As soon as I switch it off, she turns into a monster. Or before I switch it on, she's a monster. Oh. Yeah, it's about you, Pumpkin. Hey? It's about you. You're a little darling, aren't you? Yes, everybody wants one. Yes. She's very pretty, though. She's a little darling, though. She loves me. I love her. Even though she's a little monster. Thank you. Can't chew on nothing, so she wants the phone, though. Hang on. Whoop. She's on that side now. What? You know, and she has been attacking my two little chihuahuas, which is not good. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that. We haven't been able to do any target training yet because Pumpkin hasn't got a favourite food. So that's really difficult at the moment because when I thought she liked walnuts and then she went to something else and then changed it, and then jalapenos were a thing for a couple of days and just keeps changing. So, and my poor so I really, once I can get the target training that I learnt with Bird Tricks, I can stop her from hopefully attacking my dogs because she's just hanging on to the fur at the moment. They're both long-haired chihuahuas, so she's just grabbing their fur and they're running off, and she's attached to them until I can get her off. Don't do that to my phone. See, they just refuse to. They're really stubborn birds. Really stubborn. Well, she just wants to attack that. She's adamant. She's going to hang on to it. Absolutely. And she has deleted things. Look, she's in. Hang on. I had to get her off that. Wait a minute. We're out of focus. Yes, we need it. I'm new to YouTube, so this is. I might have to get a selfie stick or something as well. But like and subscribe. You can. Look. She. Determined, absolutely determined to do things with my phone, my watch. I don't, you know what, apart from the phone, but with my glasses, she's always attacking them, but as soon as I put them on, I give them to her, and then she sort of goes quack quack, and then pretty much lets them, leaves them there and attacks something else, but it's a never ending. Never ending. They are, as soon as she's out of the cage, she's pretty much like this. This is the cake. Cake parrot or kayak, or I'm not sure, heaps of people pronounce it different. I'll just call it cake. Yeah, and they're like this from the minute they get out the cage. That's it. 24/7. They would be like this. Even at night time. Alright, I better cut it short. Because that's my washing machine. And so I'll talk to you later. Like and subscribe.